this our rally today we are conducting in protest against the attack on doctors in Kolkata NRHMC Medical College on the 10th of this month. There were 2 doctors have been severely injured and the injuries have been so extent that they require a surgery. And on this matter, the Kolkata government has not taken any action to arrest the culprits or to protect the doctors. The doctors have been demanding only the protection and action against those culprits. That thing also has not been done so far. So instead of that, solving the matter, the West Bengal CM has escalated the matter by by issuing an order to vacate the doctors from the hostel. So this is very unfair. So we, as a Goa Association of Resident Doctors, juniors and senior residents, are standing in solidarity with the Kolkata doctors. All the entire nation, national resident doctors are with the Kolkata doctors. So in this matter, we want our CM and HM to convey our message to the central government to take some action against the culprits of this attack which has happened in the Kolkata.
Functioning is not affected because we already had a meeting of heads of department and we have done what is called as a contingency plan, from which we have invited some doctors from health services. We have got our doctors who are on the vacation also, and we have deployed some doctors from preclinical side. So all OPDs are functioning normally, emergencies, casualty, everything is functioning normal.
We all our members are gathered here today to protest the violent which has happened against one of our doctor members in West Bengal. What has happened is, out of sheer rage, some relatives have come together and hit this poor chap. He's battling for his life. He's in critically. What we want to stress here is that whatever the problem is, violence is not the issue. I mean, you cannot go and a helpless doctor who's sitting in his clinic can't be attacked like that. There are ways to settle issues. There are courts, there are laws. We can pursue the right legal channel.